Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Student, open your books, page number 17. In previous class we were discussed living and non-living things. Today our topic is movement. What do you mean by movement? It's the act of moving the body or body parts. Movement means act of moving the body or body parts. Movement in animals. Now how animals can move from one place to another? Animals can move parts of their bodies. They can also move from one place to another. Now animals can move their parts of their bodies. They can also move from one place to another. Come to the next page, page number 18. Animals have special body parts that help them to move. Now all animals have special body parts which help in movement. Fish have fins to swim in water. Now through fins, fish can move. Fish can swim in water. Birds and insects have wings to fly. Now how birds and insects can move? They can use wings to fly. Underline word wings and fins. Fish use fins to swim in water and birds and insects use wings to fly. The eagle, the ladybird and the bat all have wings with which they fly. Here is a picture of an eagle. Here is a picture of a ladybird. Here is a picture of a bat. So these three can use wings through which they can fly. They can fly through wings. Most animals like rabbits, monkeys and kangaroos have legs to walk, hop, jump or crawl on land. Now most animals which include rabbits, monkeys, kangaroos, they all have legs to walk. Underline word legs. They use legs to walk and through this they can move from one place to another. Some large animals like dolphins, whales and seals have flippers to swim in water. Now they use flippers to swim in water. Dolphins, whale and seals, they use flippers to swim in water. Here is a picture of a whale. Here is a picture of a whale. They can use their flippers to swim in water. What do you mean by flippers? Look at this picture. This part of whale is known as flipper. Now this flipper helps to swim in water. Muscles make your body move. Some of your muscles are joined to the bones. The point where two bones fit together is called